Hi everybody, it's Gary from Designer Walls. It's a day in the showroom and we're talking about a new product that has landed on our doorstep again, but it's the 2.0 version. It's concrete on a roll, it's flexible, it's fantastic, it's got a lot of designs, it's completely sustainable, it's made from recyclable materials. I mean, what more can we ask for? So, what we're going to do shortly is show you some how-tos. So I'm going to call it sustainable concrete on a pole because that's exactly what it is. And there's so many variations of modern twists, modern designs, some modern colours. And you've got the Reborn collection, which is all about like marble reproductions, but again, on a roll. So for trades guys out there, how do you fit it? Very simple. You need a workspace like this. Not like this, as my desktop. You need a workspace because it'll come on a roll, and if it's cold, it can potentially be a little bit brittle. So we need to maybe use a heat gun. We've got a little video we're going to show you. Cutting. Decent quality Stanley knife. Again, that will be on the video. And then you've got the heavy roll, which is kind of like 5-6 mil thick. And this is where you get your heavy prints, your heavy embossing, and things like that, your heavy detail. So that's heavy rolling. Lastly, I want to talk about installation. So I'm a tradesman, guys. So I'm talking to tilers, I'm talking to anybody here. So basically, let's just look at it as a tile. The backing is very, very simple. So on the thin stuff, we can use the spray contact adhesives, that's fine. But on the heavy roll, we need to be using sort of like cement-based adhesives, rapid sets, whatever you want, whatever you're comfortable with. And basically 5mm notch trowel on the wall, and you put it on. It's very, very simple. Now, just in case it's really, really cold, using the cold, you may need a heat gun to warm it up because it gets more malleable the warmer it is. So bear that in mind. Again, we'll have little demos, and any questions you can always contact us in the email. I want to talk about just how sustainable this product is and the properties it comes with. Number one, which is important for me, and especially the commercial industry, fire retardancy certificates available, just ask me. Secondly, it's made from crushed marble, which is a waste product from the marble factories in Italy. And thirdly, so if it's kind of like waste, this is what the last topics have been all about at the Surface Design Show, using waste marble. It's just bits, it's crushed, it's mixed with compounds, and you're going to get this product. So that's how recyclable it is. Very important. It's very important to me, very important to design walls too. And there's an extra bonus. We have an Onyx version, which is almost, well, it is transparent, so you can backlight it too. Again, that will come on a roll. Let's talk sizes. Let's talk where it's going. Let's talk delivery. Let's just have a chat about it. I think you'll like it, guys. Thanks for watching.